In this video, we'll explore 27 essential English words that you must know to excel in exams and daily conversations. These words are categorized based on their similar meanings, making them easier to learn and remember. Category 1. Comfort and relief. Here are some key words in this category. 1. Alleviate, to reduce pain or suffering. Example: the doctor gave her medicine to alleviate the pain. 2. Mitigate, to make a situation less severe. Example: the government took steps to mitigate the economic crisis. 3. Soothe, to calm or reduce discomfort. Example: the mother sang a lullaby to soothe her crying baby. 4. Relief, a feeling of comfort after pain or stress is removed. Example: he felt a sense of relief after hearing the good news. 5. Relieve, to make pain or stress go away. Example: this herbal tea will help relieve your headache. Category 2. Peace and calmness. 6. Pacify, to bring peace and reduce anger. Example: the teacher pacified the students after their argument. 7. Conciliate, to make peace between two opposing sides. Example: the diplomat tried to conciliate the two countries. 8. Appease, to satisfy or calm someone by giving in to their demands. Example: the manager appeased the angry customers with a refund. 9. Placid, calm and peaceful, not easily upset. Example: the lake looked placid in the early morning light. 10. Serenity, a state of complete peace and calm. Example: meditation brings serenity to the mind and body. 11. Equable, even-tempered and steady, not easily disturbed. Example: his equable personality made him a great leader. 12. Calm, free from stress or worry, peaceful. Example: she remained calm despite the chaos around her. Category 3. Understanding and explanation. 13. Gradually, slowly over time. Example: he gradually improved his English by practicing daily. 14. Interpret, to explain the meaning of something. Example: the translator interpreted the speech for the audience. 15. Interpretation, the act of explaining something. Example: his interpretation of the poem was very insightful. 16. Construe, to understand something in a particular way. Example: his silence was construed as agreement. 17. Expound, to explain something in great detail. Example: the professor expounded on the theory in his lecture. Category 4. Highest and lowest points. 18. Zenith, the highest point or peak. Example: the athlete reached the zenith of his career at 30. 19. Summit, the top of a mountain or a high-level meeting. Example: the climbers reached the summit after a long journey. 20. Apex, the highest or most successful point. Example: the company was at its apex during the 1990s. 21. Climax, the most exciting or important part of a story. Example: the movie's climax was full of unexpected twists. 22. Tip, the pointed or highest part of something. Example: the tip of the iceberg was visible above the water. 23. Culminate, to reach a final or highest point. Example: years of research culminated in a groundbreaking discovery. 24. Nadir, the lowest or worst point. Example: His financial crisis marked the nadir of his life. 25. Volcano. A mountain that erupts with lava. Example: the volcano erupted after lying dormant for years. Category 5. Integrity and justice. 26. Integrity. The quality of being honest and having strong morals. Example: a good leader must have integrity to earn people's trust. 27. Justice. Fair treatment according to the law. Example: the court ensured justice was served in the case. Which of these words do you find the most useful? Comment below. Subscribe for daily vocabulary lessons.